Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about if and else. Let's say we need to implement a program for checking eligibility of taking a driving license. So when we are implementing this kind of scenario, we need to consider about some kind of condition. When it comes to this question, we need to consider about age barrier. So if someone is exceeding this age barrier, he can apply to the driving license. Otherwise, he cannot. So when we are implementing this kind of scenarios inside the programming language, we can use if and else. So let's look how we can use if and else in a programming language. Here is the basic structure of if and else. So first we need to use if keyword. Then we can put our condition. Right after the condition, we must use colon. So colon means this is a block. You can see this first two print statement which is indented belongs to first if blocks. The final two indented print statements belongs to second else block. Here I am inside my project directory. Then let's create a new file. Let's call this if underscore else then .py extension. Here I am inside the working space. First let's write a print statement. Inside this print statement, let's write checking eligibility for driving license. End of this line, let's write the new line character. Then let's ask from the user for age and convert it into the integer and finally store it inside a variable called age. Enter your age. Then let's create another variable for holding barrier age. Barrier underscore age. Then I put 22 inside this variable. Then the most important part. We need to take some decision. Then we need to implement this if and else. So here we need to check someone's age is greater than or less than the barrier age. Here I put print statement and inside this print statement let's copy this suitable for applying driving license. Let's paste it in here. Then let's write the else block, else colon for creating a block. Inside this else block, let's put print statement and inside the print statement, let's put this string. You can't apply for driving license. Okay, let's run this program. He is asking for age. Let's put 18 in here. He is saying you can't apply for driving license. The program is successfully running. Again I am running. This time let's put 24. It says suitable for applying driving license. Again let's put 22 as the input. Let's see what happened. Then it says you can't apply for driving license. This because in the condition we only put the greater than comparison operator. I put also the greater than or equals operator. Now let's run the now let's put 22 and run the program again. Now it says suitable for applied the driving license. Okay, our program is successfully running. So this is for today guys. Let's meet on next video.